Welcome back as we next look at a typical sprocket wheel inspection. What we are looking for are signs of wear, damage and out of true conditions. Wear often occurs within the tooth pockets and along the thrust side of the tooth profile. A badly worn sprocket will usually reveal a hook-shaped profile, an example of which can be seen here on this sprocket. Wear may also occur on the outer edges of teeth as a result of misalignment. Other damage that we must look out for is broken teeth and any cracking that could lead to a wheel failure. Finally, we should check sprockets for run-out. This can only be performed accurately with the aid of a suitable instrument, such as a dial test indicator. Worn, damaged or buckled sprockets must be renewed using the appropriate tools and procedures. We turn our attention to the roller chain. For visual inspection, the chain is laid out straight onto a clean, flat work surface. In this situation, the chain must lie flat along its full length. If it will not lie flat, that is, if it is twisted, then it is no longer fit for service. A chain must be flexible. Each link must be free to swivel. Any stiffness in the joints is an indication of poor lubrication, corroded pins and bushings, or mechanical problems such as overloading. In this example, the links are almost seized together, or, as we say, frozen, as a result of inadequate lubrication or severe overloading. Worn areas on the inner surfaces of sidebars are generally the result of serious misalignment between sprocket wheels. Even if your chain passes a visual inspection, it must always be checked for elongation, sometimes called stretch. A chain cannot actually stretch, but because of wear in bushes and pins over a period of time, the chain will effectively become slightly longer. A point may be reached whereby the rollers no longer contact the sprocket teeth properly and begin to ride over or jump the teeth. A typical method of assessing chain wear is to place the chain into a load situation by applying a pull, usually a specified amount, depending on chain size. Whilst under load, a number of pitches are measured between pin centers, typically 24 pitches. This figure is then noted down, and the wear assessed by comparing this figure to nominal figures. By way of example, a new 12,7 millimeter pitch chain should, over a 24 pitch span, measure 305 millimeters. This is the nominal length. The maximum allowable wear is, for practical purposes, 2% over nominal. In our demonstration, a 2% increase in length would be in the region of 6 millimeters. During the break, it is suggested that you perform practical exercises in sprocket and chain inspection with your instructor or course controller.